So welcome back to my channel. You must be wondering why I have no makeup on my face today, because today's video is not a makeup tutorial. It is about 5 essentials of makeup that every girl should own. So guys, makeup is something that every girl loves to do. We all love to do because it gives us the power over our own appearance and it boosts our confidence. And wherever we go with that makeup on, our confidence and positivity radiates all around. So it is not necessary to have all the piece of makeup, different equipments and different products in your makeup kit, because some people don't know how makeup actually works. So it is only these 5 essentials that I'm going to talk about today that you should have in your kit, and you are all sorted. You can do a everyday look with it. You can go to your work, you can go to college, run your day-to-day errands or whatever. So I am going to talk about these 5 and use them on myself and show you a day-to-day look today. So if you are interested, then sit tight and keep on watching. So let's get started. So the first essential that I'm going to talk about is moisturizer. For moisturizing today I am using Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. So moisturizer guys plays a very vital role in your makeup because it hydrates your skin. So it is very important that before applying makeup you should always use a nice natural ingredient based moisturizer on your face, and I suggest to put moisturizer 5 minutes before applying any makeup on your face so that the skin really nicely absorbs the moisturizer and it becomes soft and supple, and it is all ready for that great makeup look, and you can apply the next makeup product on your face after it is well moisturized. So now my skin looks well moisturized. I'll just wait for 5 minutes and then I'll move on to the next essential. So the next essential, that is the essential number 2 that I'm going to talk about, is a BB or CC cream. The one that I am using today is the LA Girl Pro HD BB cream. So it is a really nice option for BB cream. So guys, these creams are really handy and they work really well if you do not have those great foundations in your kit. So they lighten up and brighten up your face instantly, and they cover all the dullness and fatigue on your face, and they work as a really nice option to cover up for any great foundations. And I really suggest on day-to-day basis, it is not very important to use any foundation. These do a pretty well job to cover all the issues of your face. So today I'm using a beauty blender to apply this BB cream on my face. I'll just take it from the back of my hand and start dabbing it on my face like this, and I'll just cover up the whole face with it. So if you do not have any sponge or beauty blender or brushes, then you can just directly use your fingers to apply it on your face. That also works really well, whatever is comfortable for you all. I'll take a little bit more for that complete coverage, and just apply it all over my face. It's very important to cover your neck also, because if you don't put it on your neck, then your face and neck both will look of different shade, which no one wants. So it's very important that you put the right amount on your neck also. So this looks perfect. Let's move on to the next essential. So the third essential that we are going to discuss is lipstick. One of our most favorite product in our makeup kit. This is the most essential product guys, and every girl should own 2 to 3 great lipsticks that work for all occasions, and you should always have them in your purse or in your kit, because lipsticks also work as an alternative for many other makeup products. Yes, because if you do not have a blush, then you can put a little bit of lipstick, smudge it with your blender or with your fingers. It will work great as a blush. If you do not have a eyeshadow or something, you can put little bit on your eyelids, whichever color you want, smudge it little bit, it will work as a great eyeshadow. And one more important thing that lipstick works really good for is a color corrector. Yes guys, if you have those dark circles or baggy eyes, so you can put a light red color lipstick over there and it will work as a color corrector, and you can cover it with your foundation or concealer and it will hide all your dark circles. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use a lipstick as your blush also. So I'm going to first apply it on my lips and then I'm going to use it as a blush. The lipstick that I'm using is the Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick in shade 07 Grace. So as you can see, it looks really great as a blush and of course as a lipstick, and I really love this shade because it is really good for day-to-day makeup. So this is done. Now let's move on to the next essential. So the next essential that I'm going to talk about is a mascara. So as they say, eyes are amongst the first thing that one notices in the other person. So it is very important to make your eyes look more prettier, and how you can do that, it is with a good mascara. Mascara curls your eyelashes and then it makes your eyelashes more voluminous and more fuller, and it enhances your overall look. So I'm going to apply this mascara and show you how instantly it makes my eyes look bigger. And there is one more thing that you can use mascara as. Once you have applied it on your eyes and very little product is left on it, then you can just brush your eyebrows lightly with it. This will darken up the eyebrows and set them in their place, and they will look perfect. So I will show you both the things. It's important to coat your lashes really nicely with mascara. So first I am coating them like this in the upward motion, and you will also want to coat them from above like this, so they look long and full of volume. You can see instantly how my lashes have curled up, and the difference between both the eyes. This eyes looks a little bit open up, and the lashes are well curled and they look voluminous. I'm going to also apply the mascara on my lower waterline on the lashes over here. Just like this. Now I'm going to apply on the other eye also. So a little bit product is left on the wand. Now I'm gonna just brush my eyebrows slightly with it, and it will just set my eyebrows in place. So now you can see how it has worked so nicely on my eyes, and now they are looking more prettier. So the mascara that I have used today is from Maybelline, their Hyper Curl Volume Mascara. It's a waterproof mascara, so it's really great because if sometimes your eyes water or you are in the rain or something like that, so it won't melt down and come on your face. So now let's move on to next essential. So the final and the fifth essential that I'm going to talk about is a eyeliner. So you can instantly amp up your look by giving that final touch of a very nice eyeliner that you have with you, and you can give that bold look on your eyes. So guys, sometimes what happens, a little smudging of the eyeliner can ruin your whole hard-earned look. So it's very important to carry your eyeliner in your makeup kit or your purse all the time. So whenever some kind of issue happens with your eyeliner, you can quickly give a retouch and you are good to go. So the eyeliner that I am using today is the Colorbar pen eyeliner, because it is a felt tip eyeliner and it's very easy to apply and also create a wing with it. So I'm gonna just apply it and show it to you guys. So it's important to keep it a little bit thinner from the inner corner, and you can broaden it up as you go and move towards the outer corner. So you can see it has given a nice bold look to my eyes, and since it is a day-to-day look, so I'm not creating any wing or anything, I'm just applying a simple eyeliner. I'll do the same on my other eye also. So I have applied it nicely on my both the eyes, and I am not gonna forget to keep it in my purse, so that if any smudging or something like that happens, so I can quickly give it a retouch and correct the whole look. So this is the final look that I have achieved using just 5 makeup essentials. So as you all can see for yourself, it is not important to have so many makeup products in your kit. If you have these 5, so you are all sorted and you can create such day-to-day look on yourselves. So if you like this video and it was helpful for you all, then do not forget to press that thumbs up button and let me know in the comment section. I would love to read all your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can see all my makeup videos coming up. And also press that bell button so that you get a notification every time I upload a new video. So bye bye all my lovely ladies out there, till I meet you in my next video.